Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 1 and 2. Arjuna said, "Those who, setting aside the ordinances of the scriptures, perform sacrifice with faith, what is their condition, O Krishna? Is it sattva, rajas, or tamas?"
Chapter 17, Shloka 1. Arjuna uvacha ye shastravidhim usrujya yajante shraddhayanvitaha tesham nishtatu ka Krishna sattvam aho rajastamaha.
The blessed Lord said, "Threefold is the faith of the embodied, which is inherent in their nature. The Sattvika, pure, the Rajsika, passionate, and the Tamsika, dull, dark. Thus, thou hear of it."
Chapter 17, Shloka 2. Shri Bhagavanuvāca Trividha bhavati shraddha dehinam sa svabhavacha satviki rajasi chaiva tamasi cheti tam shrunu.
Chapter 17, Shloka 1 and 2. Arjuna's question in this shloka makes Krishna expound the most profitable and dynamic way of spiritual life as different from the unprofitable and self-dissipating channels of misconceived spiritual endeavors. Scriptures are not available to all, and even if they are available, a very few have the intellectual capacity to understand them. In the excitement of life's activities, all cannot plan their path according to the Shastra provided blueprint. But a sincere seeker has both faith in the higher way of life and devotion to the ideals preached by the scriptures. All yagna acts done by an individual during his life in a spirit of selfless dedication to the general well-being may be termed spiritual, even when he does not know the serene harmony that throbs behind life. Arjuna wants to know whether such actions of men fall under the category of unactivity, sattva, or of activity, rajas, or of inactivity, tamas. Shloka 2. Lord says that faith, shraddha, is of three kinds: the divine, the undivine, and the diabolic, which determines the texture of our tendencies, vasanas in us, which in their turn command our view of life. Our desires, thoughts, and actions are planned by our view of life or shraddha. So if the shraddha is of the wrong type, the entire expression of our personality in all walks of life and in every field of activity can only be ugly. As the tendencies, so will be the man. The more an individual identifies himself with his body, the more crystallized will be his ego under the influence of his inner vasanas. The temperaments that rule the behaviors of the human are three in number: the good sattvic, the passionate rajasic, and the dull tamasic. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.